I can't describe how big of a day this is for me. It's like waking up from a deep sleep, and finally, after nearly a year in lockdown in Norway, I'm travelling back to Morocco. Let's go. Morocco has played such a big part in my life. I moved here when I was 22 years old, and at the time I just wanted to escape from the UK and experience something a little bit different for a few months. And then I ended up staying for 6 years, and although it's not an easy place to live, I met some great people, made some great friends, and Marrakech became my home. I think what I love about it is it's just so different to where I grew up. It's so challenging with the climate, with the sicknesses you get, with the culture. It's just such a challenge to be here, and it makes you feel alive. The city is so beautiful. The architecture and the little winding streets and the stray animals and the donkeys. And then you have just barren landscape around the city, and it's just like a little oasis in the middle of the desert. And of course you have the mountains. bien sûr, c'est ici où j'ai appris comment parler en français. Et pour moi, ça c'est un cadeau pour la vie. And of course, most importantly, this is the city where my son was born.
Devils dance on the dreams of the ivy wild. In places you grow up, the tumbling ground is rough, and there is no domestic heart. So what have we become? Just pedestrian. There is no domestic heart. The Wilderlove is hidden within us, and we're reckoned with it, and we're wrestled with it. The Wilderlove is hidden within us, and we're wrestled with it, and we're wrestled with it. Vast expanse, and I feel so underdressed, so civilized and small by the powers that you possess. The places you grow up, the tumbling ground is rough, and there is no domestic heart. So what have we become? Just pedestrian. There is no domestic heart.
So I'm now back in Norway, and I've just been looking through some of the footage, and I just feel so grateful that I was able to travel during this pandemic, and I've had so many things stuck up my nose, but I just hope that I can travel back there again soon.
Baba.